Hey y'all, let me get adjusted here. I just got off work. Another day, another dollar. Excuse my hair, y'all. Excuse my hair. I had on a wig and I had braids. The wig was getting on my nerves, so I took the wig off, took down the braids, and here I am. I'm using this palette first. No. I'm gonna use this palette second. But when I use it, I'm gonna use this color. And I'm gonna use that color. So hopefully I won't need any more pinks other than that. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my P's Louise base. And this is in the Rumor Zero. Because I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. I don't think this was a good brush to use, but we're gonna make it work. I hope this look turned out right, y'all. When I go off the dome, I be nervous. When I just freestyle it, I be nervous. That's exactly what I'm doing right now, is freestyling it. I like to know what I'm gonna be doing. I like to kind of have in mind what I'm gonna do, plan it out a little bit, but it is what it is. It's just one color. I can't mess it up that bad. I'm just going in with another brush to like tap on top so it's not so liquidy. And while this is setting itself, I'm gonna move on to the next eye. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette. It's the Warrior 3, the second palette I showed you with that pink. And I'm gonna apply this as my transition color. Y'all, I'm a little nervous because I really don't even know what I'm doing right now. I just hope this turned out pretty. Hope it turned out cute. Otherwise, I'm gonna just stick to planning my stuff before I do it. I'm being sure to get under that brow. But it just makes the pink apply better. Okay, ain't looking too shabby. Ain't looking too bad. All right, that's the first pink, but I want to look crazy on this P's Louise base, honey. So, well, I'll just finish the eyes first, and then I'll wipe it off, because I'm not finna have eyeshadow all the way over there in the corner of my eye. Okay, let me do this eye now. Okay, first pink done. That's kind of cute. Let me move on to the next pink. It's pigmented. Let's see how this goes. Oh, yes. It looks so pretty. Okay, y'all, this look may turn out good after all. It may turn out good after all. Ooh. It turned out good, y'all. I mean, well, I gotta get this together, but the color turned out good is what I meant. Oh, honey. Bam. Period. That looks so good. Okay. Now what I'm gonna have to do, and I really don't want to fuck it up doing this, but I gotta do it, y'all, because it's all crazy. I'm going in with my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Okay, so now we're gonna start on the face. Too Faced foundation, one squirt. That's enough. And I'm just going to blend this out. Yeah, this is my first time freestyling, like basically having a look, like basically making my look as I go. That's why I only wanted to do one color, because I'm like, I ain't never really freestyled with colors before, and I'll mess it up. Now I want to go on my Tarte concealer. This is Tan Sand. This is deep. I'm gonna start off with my Tan Sand, and we're gonna get started. And I'm gonna go in with deep. Okay, right here. I'm so shocked that it's so quiet in my house. Usually it's really loud. That's all more the reason why I should have recorded today. And I'm glad that I did. All right. Fuck. Okay. Peep the contour. Light triangles. The dark is not a full triangle. I only got it on the sides of the triangle, not the top of the triangle. And the top, I got it all over the triangle because when you blend it in, you want it to look right on your forehead. Dots down my nose, starting with the light first and the dark, and then light, dark. Oh, we almost forgot something. Light. That's a lot of light. I need to tap that away a little bit. I'm just gonna take it back on my brush. The ghetto. And then my dark. That's a lot of that too. Time to ghetto again. The ghetto. All right. Okay, a little more. Okay, peep the contour. I'm gonna give you a minute to peep, okay? Just like that. All right, and time to blend. My favorite part. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and we're going to contour because I look like a ghost, okay? And I don't want to look like a ghost. This is just a clean brush. I'm just using that to just blend everything out. I'm gonna go in with my deep concealer, if I can find it. Oh. And I'm gonna go under my contour. Y'all already know how important this is. Please make sure when you do your makeup, you do this. Because if you don't, it won't pop. I mean, you don't have to. Boom. Boom. And y'all already know what this is for. I don't gotta tell you, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's just to make your contour pop. It's just to make that contour pop, okay? So just make sure you do it. And then we're gonna blend it. So now it's time to bake. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder today to bake. And I'm going to use my Studio Pro Conceal palette. And the color that I use is, I use this one for contour. I just need to do my lips. And on my lips, I'm going to use dark brown lip liner. And my favorite lip gloss by Sedasia Cosmetics. But first, I need to do my lashes. Y'all already know what lashes I'm going in with in my Trap collection. You're my Trap queen. Hit the bando. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. We're gonna do bougie. I'm feeling a little bougie today. Okay, y'all. I just went in. I went on camera and did my lashes. This is in the style Bougie by Trap Collections. I didn't expect them to be this big, but it's cool. I mean, it's one eyeshadow, so ain't like I'm covering. Like, I feel like if you have like colorful eyeshadow, don't do this type of lash. Do one of their like, I'm gonna say if you want a big lash that'll be open enough for you to still see like the color, I would say go with their style Finesse. Bougie is more like what I'm doing, one color. So it don't matter if they're covering the eyelid because you're only using one color anyway. So it's nothing for them really that they're missing. You know what I'm saying? So they'll see what they see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do under my eye. I'm going in with this palette, the pink. I'm putting it under my eye. Might get lost if you Jay. Sorry, I'm in a whole nother mirror over here. Usually have my light mirror under here, but I mean my little mirror, but I don't have it this time. Okay, and now I want to go in with the lighter color under that dark I just applied. Okay, so now I want to go in with some lip liner and my Sedasia lip gloss, and we're gonna be set today, y'all. That's gonna be it, okay? That's going to be that. On that. Okay, guys, so this is it. So y'all noticed in like a lot of my videos, I haven't really been doing any highlight or blush, but thank you again for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all enjoyed this look, and I hope you all are staying safe and just staying COVID free or just staying safe in general. You all have a great day.